Question 20. Alicia is making cupcakes for a party she is having and wants to make sure everyone gets at least one cupcake. The recipe calls for 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt for every batch, and each batch makes 21 cupcakes. If the party will have a total of 84 people attending, how many teaspoons of salt will Alicia use? So, to do this, what we need to do is set up a proportion because we're comparing two things and we're trying to figure out if this makes this, then how many do I need to make this? So, the two things we're comparing are teaspoons and cupcakes. Alright, so we know that 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt for every batch, and each batch makes 21 cupcakes. So she needs 1/2 teaspoons for 21 cupcakes. I know it looks really weird because we're doing 1 divided by 2 divided by 21, but that's just how we need to set it up. Equals x, because we don't know how many teaspoons she needs to use, over 84, because that's the amount of people. So now we cross multiply. You can put in your calculator 84 times 1 divided by 2, and you will get the right answer. Or you can think of this as if you're multiplying again by a half or a third or a fourth or a fifth, you're just dividing by that number on the bottom. So 84 divided by 2 is 42 equals 21x. Divide both sides by 21. X equals 2, and X represents teaspoons, so she's going to need 2 teaspoons of salt.